I want to wish the people of Goa a Statehood Day. On this very auspicious day, where we got statehood for the state of Goa, the solid waste management facility at Saligao was inaugurated on this very special day. On this day I remember our ex-Chief Minister and ex-Defence Minister Shri Manohar Parrikar. When I showed him this piece of land, he saw this, which was a total dump site of solid waste, that is, full garbage was being brought and dumped over here. I remember those days in the year 2012 when we all got elected as MLAs. Every part of Goa we used to see waste. We used to see garbage being dumped. And when I told him this, that we need to put this in place, he came with me over here along with the then Sarpanch of Kalangud Village Panchayat, Shri Joseph Sikvera and others, and the Comunidad attorney, the Comunidad president, and all of them. When we reached here, he said, this is an ideal site. We will have to treat the waste and set up a solid waste management facility over here, which will take care. I told him that we should not think only about our constituency. We have to think about the North Goa coastal belt. If we want to promote Goa as a clean destination, as a good destination for tourism, then we require the North Goa coastal belt clean. We also require the South Goa coastal belt clean, but let us start with the North Goa first. So, on this very special day of Goa Statehood Day, once the facility, which took 2 years to complete, 1 year, 9 months, 10 months, we inaugurated this on this very special day, that is Goa Statehood Day. We are completing 5 glorious years. 5 years, this entire facility which is over here runs very successfully. I would like to tell the general public of the state of Goa and also the people of India, when we talk about Swachh Bharat, when we talk about Clean India, when we talk about Nitol going, we have scientifically treated around 2,21,700 metric tons of solid waste in this facility. The entire beach waste, even from Konkani, even from Agonda, even from Kolwa beach, comes over here. That is the waste collected by the contractor of the tourism department, brings the wet waste and the dry waste in this facility. To make South Goa garbage free, we have started the work. We did the inauguration 1 year back. We started the work of Kakora solid waste management facility under the leadership of our Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, the MLA of that constituency and Minister for Environment Shri Nilesh Kabral, who has taken a lot of initiative. And when I became the Minister for Waste Management, we expedited this file and we laid the foundation stone. Today our work has gone quite ahead and we are expecting this work to be ready by November this year. First we were supposed to complete it in September, but because of this pandemic, I look at it that it will get inaugurated by November. The work is going on in full swing. this facility which is over here is being upgraded, because we are getting the waste from all over North Goa coastal belt. Nobody wants their area to be dirty. Everybody is collecting waste, putting it in their trucks, bringing it over here in this facility. So we are getting today 100% waste from this North Goa coastal belt. So the facility was only for 100 tons. We are upgrading this facility so that the waste which is coming over here, around 220 tons, should be treated in a scientific manner, in a time bound manner. I know that there are some people who were who had an objection that they are getting foul smell in Kandolim village, which is the village I am representing as a MLA. To cater to that, they should not get any more smell. We are shifting the facility from that side, that is southern side, we are bringing it to the northern side, and also we are developing a basement area for that, so that all the waste goes over there, gets treated, and the funnel of that will go around 100 meters above. That is, it's like an exhaust which will take the smell away. We have brought in engineers from Germany earlier also and now also to see that this facility is as per the world standard facility. Means we are competing with the other nations as far as treating wet waste is concerned. Treating of dry waste also within the state of Goa, where we talk about RDF. We are sending it today in the cement factories in neighboring state of Karnataka. We are planning to set up this facility somewhere in the state of Goa itself, and we will again give it to whoever bids with us. He will have to invest his own money, he will have to generate electricity, and he will have to give the electricity back to the state, or he will have to generate steam and give it to the industrial estate, and he should be self-sustained. Whatever electricity he generates, he sells it to us, we will pay him the money. So all the investment will be his. The facility at Bangini, which we have proposed to start work, also is in final stages. Twice the tenders were called, and because of the CPWD manual, we could not award the tender. So we are the committee of Goa Waste Management Corporation will sit again and take a call on the tender. The tender form will be relaxed so that more bidders come, and we will give it to the L1 and also who fulfills the criteria of GWMC. I would also bring to the notice of the general public in the state of Goa that we generated around 1,583,500 units of electricity, of which 40% has been provided to the electricity grid. Out of these 1,500,000 units, we have given 40% back to the grid. Our plant is self-sufficient as far as electricity is concerned. We are generating electricity out of the wet waste. All this time we had seen that the Salmona spring was getting contaminated. Now, because the plant is being built over here, we see all these areas getting the water in the wells and also at the spring has rejuvenated. I request the people of Goa, let us together work to make Goa garbage free. Let the beauty of Goa, as far as all the fields are concerned, the ponds are concerned, the rivers and the seas concerned. In the first cyclonic winds which came in, it brought so much of waste on the beach. All this waste is the people who are throwing in their nallas, their gutters, the ponds, the rivers. I request them that a time will come we will do 100% collection of waste in North and South Goa also, door to door, and people should give the waste to the panchayat, to the municipality, which will bring the waste at the garbage plant of North Goa, the central plant in Tiswadi, and also in South Goa. I request all the people to cooperate with the panchayats, with the municipalities as far as collection of waste is concerned. We also ensure today that Sonsado, which we started the treatment of the old waste, the legacy waste of 30 years, 35 years, will be nearing completion now. And once we get the ground, we will build a small facility for them. And I want to assure the people of Margao, want to assure the people of Kurtori, the Fatorda and the other neighboring places that you will also have the facility at South Goa, that is at Sonsado. Once again, I wish the people a very happy Statehood Day. Let us all work together to keep Goa clean and green. Thank you.